welcome back. Today we are going to be unboxing the fall FabFitFun box. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not ready for fall, even a little bit. I love summer, but fall is coming. I have multiple fall nail polish collections, and I mean it's almost September, so it makes sense. If you guys want to see what's in the fall FabFitFun box, then just keep watching. If you're unfamiliar with FabFitFun, it is a quarterly subscription service. It is a mixture of lifestyle, makeup, home, fitness, travel. Sometimes there's some tech stuff. There's a little bit of everything in here. I will leave my referral link in the description box. I don't actually know what I get if you sign up using my link, or you can just sign up at fabfitfun.com. There are a lot of influencer codes around that give you $10 off. I don't believe they're affiliate codes, but if you want $10 off your first box, there are codes to be found. The mailer this season is super cute. It looks very retro to me. I don't know if it's supposed to. It does. Okay. There is a magazine in here that has style tips. It gives you a breakdown of what comes in the box and what the other options were. There's you know, lots of stuff in here. Okay, there's almost always a HelloFresh coupon in here. I love HelloFresh, so I always say that. And then there is a individual coupon code in here. I believe this is good for one-time use. But it is $15 off your first FabFitFun box. So you get your first box for $34.99. I'll leave the code in the description box. I'm not sure if more than one person can use it. It doesn't say. It says pass this on to a friend, so I feel like it's one-time use. So if you want to use it, that code will be in the description box, or you can find another $10 off. Some of these things I chose. Some were random. I don't remember what. Okay, the first thing I see in here is from Humankind. This is a body souffle, vegan and cruelty-free. Is there a flavor? Lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness. Humankind's 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. This was in every box. This retails for $18. What is... something smells good. I'm not sure what it is though. Oh, this does smell very good. Oh, this smells delicious. What does it smell like? It just says body souffle. Give me a flavor, person. I guess the flavor is kindness. I'm not really sure what that means. Oh, it says in the magazine. It doesn't say on the product. Apricot oil and shea butter. I never would have guessed that, but that smells really good, and that retails for $18. The next thing in the box that is in everyone's box is from AVEDA. This is Damage Remedy. Daily hair repair, instant visible repair, protects from heat styling. To use, shake well, work through damp hair, and comb to distribute, do not rinse. This one retails for $30. I don't heat style my hair, but I love the smell of AVEDA products. I should see if my mom wants this. Oh, I love the smell of AVEDA products. They smell so earthy and delicious. I don't know that I will use this because like I said, I don't heat style my hair. Not that my hair isn't damaged, but I don't ever blow dry or curl or do anything with my hair. I don't know if you can tell because my hair looks real good today. Let me see if my mom wants this because I know she loves AVEDA products, and she does like curl and blow dry her hair. Okay, and then the last thing that's in everyone's box are these adorable little cubes. This is Harper and Airy Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. Flavor is Juice Cleanse. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. These retail for $16 and you get 8 cubes. What is a juice cleanse? Smell like, oh, it smells like, it smells sour almost, but in like a sour candy. It smells like Sour Patch Kids. I love Sour Patch Kids. Those are super cute. I love a scrub. I love a scrub. So that I'm into. The next thing in here is from Skin & Co Roma. This is in select members boxes. I don't know if I'm members, guys. The Truffle Therapy Essential Face Toner, made in Italy. This retails for $30. Let's see, what does this say here? I can't read that far because I'm getting old. Gentle enough for all skin types, this toner uses black winter truffle, witch hazel, and sage to remove impurities and brighten discoloration. I use just regular witch hazel as my toner anyway, so that's real exciting. Doesn't smell weird. I don't want to take the seal off. Well, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna use it. I smell a little sage in there, but it's a very mild scent. That's awesome. I love a toner. The next thing in here is from Trestique. This is the mini essentials set for, this retails for $48. What? There are 4 eye pencils in here. Oh, okay, so there's a brow pencil, 2 shadow crayons, and an eye pencil. So the brow pencil, shadow, and then an eye pencil. That's pretty cool. Trestique has some interesting products. And I actually love that these are minis because I'm never going to finish a full-size eye crayon. That's interesting. I also really like their packaging, that the color of the product is on the pencil part outside. I think it's pretty cool. This brow color is not going to work for me. But again, I'll see if my mom wants that one. The next thing in here is from the Better Skin Co. Better Skin Lava Magic Cleanser Scrub Mask. This retails for $32. This 3-in-1 cleanser, scrub, and mask is enriched with nourishing ingredients to give skin a more radiant and youthful appearance. I feel like I've heard this is basically magical. How do I open you? Oh, it has a little spatula. Looks like lava. I know that you can't touch lava, but I want to. It looks so blobby. That's cool. I need more masks in my life. The next thing in here is from Nassif MD Detox Pads. This is just a few swipes of the cleansing pad. Deep cleans, exfoliates, and firms your skin's appearance while softening lines and wrinkles. I don't know if it does that, but I am willing to try. I'm getting old, and oh, are they leaking? I don't know. What's happening here? They have a very mild but really clean, fresh smelling scent. Pretty sure this container is leaking though. So that's less than desirable. The last thing in here is from Plush Ultra Soft Plaid Scarf. Nothing says fall like a cozy scarf, especially when it comes in a classic plaid print. Okay, this is the most perfect plaid print ever of life. This scarf retails for $75. I mean, it's very, very soft. What is it? It is 70% polyester, 30% viscose. Viscose? That was the fall 2019. Oh my gosh. FabFitFun box. If you guys get FabFitFun, let me know what you got in your box. If you are interested in subscribing to FabFitFun, you can sign up and still get this box. Some things you can customize, some things you cannot customize. And to be honest, I couldn't tell you what I did and didn't choose. I don't remember. I did choose some things. I can't remember what. I don't remember. Actually, I remember choosing these detox pads. But everything else, I don't remember if I chose it or just said surprise me, because that's also an option. The retail value of everything in this box is $294. That's crazy. And I will use everything in here. the exception of the AVEDA stuff, but I think my mom will like that. Let me know what you guys got in your box. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.